Hello good people, welcome to day 13 of our daily Python test. Today we're going to be doing something really simple. It's very straightforward, very easy. Just looked at it now and it's really easy. What we're doing today is we're simply going to write a function named div_3, and that function is going to take in only one integer parameter, and what our function will do is it's going to check if that parameter, if that number that is passed in is divisible by 3, and if it is, it's going to return true, but if it's not, it's going to return false. Let's build. First off, we start by defining our function. So function div_3, just as they asked, and let's just call our number x, or maybe if just for clarity, let's just call it number, let everybody know what it is. So all we're doing here now is we're gonna return number. Watch this, we're using a special operator modulus 3 equal to, oh sorry about that, 0. Now let me explain exactly what's happening here, because we're done. This is all about the code. What we did here is we defined our function div_3, and then it's taking in one parameter. We just call the number. You can really call it whatever you want, but just make sure this name here tallies whatever you call up here. Then we're returning this symbol here, this percentage sign, means modulus. What modulus does is it tries to divide numbers and then takes the remainder of that division. Now what it means is, let's say for instance 9 is passed in here, then what happens is that 9 modulus 3, what that does is it's going to try to divide 9 by 3, and then whatever the remainder of that is, that's what's going to return. So when you say 9 modulus 3, it's not going to return 3 as the answer, like when you say 9 divided by 3 is 3, but instead it's going to return 0 because there's no remainder. But if you say 5 modulus 2, what it's going to do is that it's going to return 1, because 5 divided by 2 is 2 remainder 1, so that 1 now is what's going to return. So in this case, we're going to just check if whatever number is passed in here, modulus 3, gives us 0. If it gives 0 in this situation where we're comparing with this operator equals to, it's going to return true, but if not, it's going to return false. So if you don't understand my explanation, please feel free to ask me further questions in the comment section below. If you know any other method we could go about solving this challenge, please feel free to comment it down below, tell me about it, and we're gonna be just fine. Remember, like, subscribe, share. If you've not subscribed before, please do, and ring the bell icon so that you won't miss tomorrow's challenge. It gets better every day, I assure you. Peace out, ciao for now. We're gonna see tomorrow. Bye.